The Student Federation, Tripura Manipuri Student Youth Coordination Committee and Tripura Jharkhandi Samaj Unnayan Parisad miserably speak about the violence affected in Manipur. On Tuesday, all the three organizations has organized a conference meet at the Agartala Press Club and appeal for the peaceful and harmonious relationship in the state. Manipur is burning with clashes between the two communities on communal issue. However, the situation keeps escalating day after day. All the students from Tripura who went for studying in Manipur had to return back to the home state because of the violence in Manipur. The State Federation, Tripura Manipur Student Youth Coordination Committee and Tripura Jharkhandi Samaj Unnayan Parisad miserably speak about the violence in Manipur. On Tuesday, the TSF Secretary John Debarma has organized a conference meet at the Agartala Press Club and appeal for the peaceful and harmonious relationship in the state.
John organized a press meet organized by the Tripura Students Federation TSF and the Tripura Manipuri Students Youth Coordination Committee and the Tripura Jharkhandi Samaj Unnayan Samiti. So before we begin our press meet, we'll first introduce our self-introduction. So myself, John Debarma, the General Secretary of TSF. So we have the General Secretary of Tripura Manipuri Student Youth Coordination Committee, Mr. Bimal Singha, and we have
myself, and the President of the TMSYCCO.
I am Praveen Singha. I am Joint Secretary of Tripura Manipur Student Youth Coordination Committee.
I am Unnayan, Tripura Jharkhandi Samaj Unnayan Samiti.
Namaskar. I am Vikas Debarma, the Vice President of TSF.
So, as we already know, the incident that took place in Manipur, as we are all aware. So, as a brother and as a northeastern state, today we call for a peace in Manipur, jointly which is organized by the three organizations here in Tripura. See, we know that the people, both the Kukis, Meiteis and the Nagas have been living peacefully in Manipur. So we appeal to the people living in Manipur, all the tribes, to bring that peace and harmony back again to their state. This is not a peaceful manner where we, the people living in Northeast, what we love. What we love is we love to live in peaceful manner. So this incident has brought to the people of Northeast a great concern for each one of us. It really shocked us by these clashes among the Manipuri and the Kukis. So we appeal to the people to have peace and harmony, to bring back again. And also we ask the government, and we feel that this is totally the failure of the state government of Manipur, the administration, as well as the failure of the central government to protect the people. This is totally a serious matter. So at this juncture, the government, the administration should look, how can this peace be restored? What are the steps, what are the ways forward to bring and to solve an amicable solution for the people? Let there be a dialogue between the different communities in Manipur. That is what how can they resolve it without any effects to any community? That is why we have called for this press meet, and also as well as for the to be peace in Manipur. We call for peace in Manipur, as well as we pray that so many casualties have taken place in Manipur. So we pray for them also. And also the government should compensate the victims who have been suffering. There is lots of irreparable losses, life of many people in Manipur, many innocent people have lost. So for that, the government should compensate them, should rehabilitate them in a manner where there will not be any effect on both the communities. So we also would like to appeal to the universities and colleges that at this juncture, let there be no examination, let there be postponement of examination in university if they are going to hold. Because since most of the students are already back home from the state of Manipur, so we appeal the dean of college, universities to postpone the exam until the normalcy has been back to the Manipur state.
TSF Secretary John Debarma, General Secretary of TMSYCCO S. Bimal Singha and General Secretary of TJSUS Anant Orang were also attended the event. Reported by Krishanu from Agartala, CHINI KHORANG.